Hi guys, so tonight we're going to do homemade salsa verde. Good handful of flat leaf parsley, must be flat leaf. Good handful of basil. 2 garlic cloves. Squash them because they're easier to peel, and peel them. And now we roughly chop the garlic and add it into the basil and parsley. Next goes in 5 or 6 anchovy fillets. A teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Half a tablespoon of capers. This is red wine vinegar and you need about a tablespoon. Olive oil, you probably need about 5 or 6 tablespoons, maybe more, but we'll see how it goes after chopping. I'm going to put 5 in. Little pinch of salt, not a lot because the anchovies are salty, and a little squidge of pepper. Top goes on. This is an amazing thing, and whiz it up. Take the top off, see what's going on inside, push everything in. So we need some more olive oil in that. Put back on. Once it's all chopped up, in the mixer, into your dish. Hey presto. Homemade salsa verde.